Welcome back to my channel, where today we have an incredible tutorial that's going to elevate your portrait game to a whole new level. Let's explore the fascinating world of color gels and how you can expertly incorporate them into your portrait photography. When placed in front of a light source, gels work magic by adding a splash of vibrant hues to your subjects. These small yet incredibly powerful tools have the potential to completely alter the mood of your portraits, allowing you to create images that truly stand out. Today, I'll be sharing 3 different lighting setups. We'll start with a basic 2 light, 1 gel setup, and then 2 lights, 2 gels, and then finally we'll end with 3 lights, 2 gels. View this as easy, medium, and hard. Today, we'll have actress and model Monica Rivera join us for our photo shoot. And to assist with all her hair and makeup magic, my friend Indigo will also be joining us. Let's jump on in with our very first setup. We'll start by placing a softbox about 1 foot behind our subject, pointed directly towards the camera. This will provide a solid white background as well as a great rim light on Monica's cheekbones. Our key light will be a monolight with a zoom reflector positioned overhead and angled down towards our subject. As for our gel, I'll have an assistant hold a magenta strip in between the key light and our subject. And here are some of the final images. Moving on to our second lighting setup, I'll now be shooting with 2 gelled lights. I'll place a solid white seamless backdrop about 3 feet behind our subject. Now I position 2 monolights around 4 to 5 feet in front of the subject, 1 off camera right and 1 off camera left. Both positions slightly above eye line, angled down. One light will have a yellow gel, the other will have blue. These strobes will create harsh shadows that will cast the yellow and blue light onto our backdrop. You'll need to play around with the power outage of each strobe to get your perfect exposure, but in the end, it should look a little bit like this. If you want to get a little bit more creative, try playing with the hue and saturation adjustments in Photoshop to get some fun new results. Alright, you've made it this far, now on to our final setup. Replace the solid white backdrop with fashion gray. Now, gel 2 monolights with a dark blue gel. The first you'll place about 3 feet in front of your subject and off to camera right. Position the light about 6 inches above eye level and angled down. For our second blue light, place this directly behind your subject and about 2 feet below eye level. Now place the small octabox, with no gel, in the short light position relative to your subject. This means the shadow side of Monica's face will be aimed towards the camera. Always encourage your model to be moving freely through the space. You never know what new lighting patterns and ideas can come through this free-flowing process. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting photography content. Share your gel photography experiences and any questions you have in the comments below. Until next time, happy shooting!